Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to open the portable control panel if you needed to gain access to the internals for any reason. Um, so there's two little black stickers on each side. You pop those off. And that gives access to some machine screws, Phillips head. And you just unscrew those and remove them. And it's best to do this with the machine off and unplugged, just to be safe. Once you remove those four screws, then you can gently lift up the top and lean it back over, and then that gives you access to all the internals. When you're all done, it's the same steps but in reverse. You put it back on, you put the machine screws in, and then you put your stickers, tighten them down, then put your stickers on, and you're all done.